To use saffron in cooking, first crush a pinch of dried saffron threads into powder using a mortar and pestle. You can also crumble them with your fingers. Steep the crushed saffron in a small amount of liquid, such as warm water, stock, or milk, for about 20 to 30 minutes. If your recipe calls for a specific liquid, use that. Alternatively, release the aroma of the saffron threads by toasting them in a cast iron skillet over medium heat for 1 to 2 minutes. Then, crush the toasted saffron in a mortar and pestle. Incorporate the saffron powder into grain-based dishes, such as risotto, rice pilaf, or paella, to give a hint of reddish color and sweet, spicy flavor. You can also use it in sweetbreads, custards, or other desserts. Try combining saffron with compatible sweet and savory flavors, such as vanilla, cinnamon, cumin, or garlic.